Choosing where to sell your products these days is like choosing a movie on Netflix. There are so many options. And somehow it feels like there's no obvious winner. Should you go viral on TikTok Shop, play the search volume game on Amazon, stick with the familiarity of Shopify? If you've ever asked yourself, where should I list this? You're not alone. Let's walk through the marketplace landscape, explain why different platforms work better for different kinds of products, and show how Doba's curated product channels help you pick the right match. Not all marketplaces are built the same. Each e-commerce platform has its own audience, culture, and rhythm. What works on Amazon might flop on TikTok, and vice versa. What sells on Walmart might collect dust on Temu, and vice versa. Here's a quick cheat sheet. TikTok Shop is great for impulse buys, trending products, and visually engaging items. Think phone accessories, skincare gadgets, and novelty gifts. Amazon is best for search-based products, high-volume essentials, and repeat purchases. Great if your product solves a clear need. Walmart is for trust-focused buyers often looking for a family-safe, affordable alternative. eBay tends to be for a mix of auction hunters and deal seekers, ideal for refurbished items or unique inventory. Temu is for price-driven shoppers who love a good bargain. Low price, high novelty items tend to do well here. And when it comes to Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce, these are better for building your own brand experience. Slower start, but you get more control. The key takeaway: a product that takes off on one marketplace might flop on another, unless it's tailored to that platform's vibe. What makes a product a good fit for a marketplace? Let's talk about it. Before diving into channels, it's helpful to ask, what kind of products thrive on each platform? Here are some quick fit indicators. TikTok Shop. For TikTok Shop, products priced under $30 that are visually engaging, solve a quick problem, easily demoed in videos like stain removers or hair curlers tend to be products that do well. For Amazon, it tends to be products that have a clear demand or search volume, review ready, multivariant listings, and fast fulfillment. And when it comes to Walmart, branded or licensed items, family-friendly items, essentials with a value hook tend to do well there as well. eBay. You're looking here at limited edition, refurbished, unique or collectible items, retro electronics, retro sneakers, etc. And when it comes to platforms like Temu, you're talking about fun, gimmicky, affordable items, generally ranging between $10 and $20, often with a novelty appeal. Think of each marketplace like a different storefront on a street. You wouldn't sell high-end jewelry at a pop-up dollar store. Likewise, not every product works everywhere. Enter Doba's product channels. To help you match your products to the right marketplace, Doba created product channels, curated collections of products handpicked to perform well on specific platforms. Each channel is built with data-backed insight into what types of items succeed where. Instead of guessing which $10 product might pop off on TikTok, Doba shows you what already has. Some of the channels you'll find include the following: viral on TikTok Shop, best sellers for Amazon, Walmart ready, Temu picks, fast movers on eBay. Here's how product channels work and why it matters. Think of them as pre-built roadmaps. Each product channel includes platform-specific filters like margin thresholds, shipping eligibility, and listing format. Product fit analysis. Which items convert best in that ecosystem? Compliance checklists, so you don't unknowingly list an item that gets flagged. You're not left browsing a sea of 5,000 phone cases. Instead, you're seeing this phone case, which has high conversion rates on TikTok from suppliers who ship fast and allow returns. It's like having a marketplace matchmaker built into your sourcing tool. Product market fit without the guesswork. Here's the thing: most new sellers spend weeks trying to figure out why a product isn't moving. Is it the price, the pictures, or the platform? Often it's a bad marketplace match. By using product channels, you skip that trial and error phase. You start with alignment already baked in, high demand items that are proven to perform on the platform you're selling on. Here's a quick example. Selling a fitness resistance band. TikTok might favor colorful bundle sets with trendy packaging. Amazon customers may want a plain black bulk packs with comparison charts and thousands of reviews. Same product, different pitch, different marketplace. Meet the sellers' personas. Let's bring this to life with a few fictional example profiles. To continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.